My name is Melissa Zach. I've been with G&W Electric for 20 years. I am currently Aftermarket Support Manager. Actually, my first role with G&W Electric was a chef's seal assembler. And then after that, I started assembling in through all of switchgear. I have an account manager position. I deal with a lot of outside customers that I'm very proud of. I build the partners and relationships that helps us grow. I like the innovation that we have. I like to see the products that we have out in the field. I believe that it is a growing organization and it's going to keep growing tremendously. Working in the manufacturing environment and to my position now, it really plays a key factor in how I learn. I was able to manufacture our product, but I can take that knowledge of how I used to manufacture those products and being able to relate it and how it functions in the field. I do collaborate a lot with our internal teams. We work together if something is critical on the outside and something needs to be completed with a timely manner. I work with engineer groups, AEs, planning, and production as well in order to ensure that our product is out the door, if not ahead of time or on time. What has motivated me to grow within G&W is the challenge. I like the challenge. I like the diversity of our organization and being able to support the different product lines.